So there was an event today and I got my face painted. Her name is Neha, if anyone is interested. So I got this floral thing. You know, I love purple, so I got this. And then I got a little stamp on this side. It was so pretty. We had so many pictures. The event was beautiful. Okay, so the main thing is I've been using this face wash for a while and it's really helpful. I don't know how much it is cleaning my skin. So it says it minimizes pores, it cleanses everything. So usually I take off my makeup with micellar water. I've got it from Nivea, this one. So I usually shake it up before use and then I use my cotton pad and then I remove it. But I really want to try how much actually this removes. So this video is about that. It has a very good scent. So let's see how well it does. So I'm just gonna use water to remove all the glitter which is there. The event went on pretty well and she is very talented, Neha. She put this together in what, like 3 minutes. I was super impressed. Came up with water, like most of it. Your face paint is really common and it's morely for children, kids basically. Any event that happens, I always try to include face painting because it attracts a lot of children. So as a volunteer, I was the first one to get, and then seeing me, there were a lot of children who were coming in who wanted to get it painted. They were, she was doing butterflies and unicorns and then warrior symbols, and there's this little girl who said, oh, it's my birthday. So it was in collaboration with the community police. So she said, what do you want to do when you grow up? And she goes, I want to be a police. And then she got the logo, the Wellington police logo on her forehead. And it was all so good. So many little kids coming around, and then we were handing them out little activity sheets, and then we were talking to the parents. I think with paint it does a pretty good job. I'm removing. Now the task is removing my eye makeup.
Really?
Because it's waterproof. My eyeshadow is from K Beauty and eyeliner is Color Bar. The Color Bar eyeliner is really good. It's the Jacqueline line. Yeah, so all the face paint is gone. I think I'll just do my eyes and lips. Yeah, I wanted to try the Teddy lip stain from Maybelline. I'm not sure how it is. So if anyone has tried, do let me know because I want to get one. At the moment,
One eternity later.
good job of removing the eye makeup. As for the lip stain, I think it did not. So I'm gonna use my makeup remover. We're gonna do the eye first. There's nothing on this side, so yeah, definitely there's a lot of lipstick. So other than that, it did a pretty good job in removing everything. I'm just gonna wipe and show you how my face looks. Looks very fresh and nice. So after this, I'm gonna apply my Neutrogena Hydro Boost. And yeah, glowing skin. Okay guys, bye.